I'm currently working for the ISEFA project as a research assistant, and I would like to talk about our development and design of a localized learning environment in enterprise systems education, which also touches upon some of the issues raised by the first two presentations today. Now, first of all, what is an enterprise system? An enterprise system or an enterprise resource planning system is an integrated enterprise-wide business application. It provides the basic infrastructure to support the process and data management of an enterprise. And these systems are used by a growing number of companies worldwide. And in sub-Saharan Africa, also the flourishing of the small and medium-sized sector increases the demand for employees with enterprise system skills, and therefore there's an increasing demand for enterprise systems education. Now, our project, the Enterprise Systems Education for Africa project, has the main objective of bridging the gap between the enterprise systems education offered in sub-Saharan Africa and the enterprise system skills needed by the industry in that area. Therefore, we want to provide continuous and sustainable ES education at higher education institutions in sub-Saharan Africa. And to that end, we developed a localized, adaptable and relatable curriculum and learning environment. The project was conducted by the Otto von Guericke University in Magdeburg, which was in charge of the project management and the hosting of the systems infrastructure, and the University of Cape Town in South Africa as the local project partner, who was also in charge of the support and curriculum development. The project was co-financed by the German Development and Investment Bank, KfWDEG, and the SAP University Alliances as a business partner. SAP is the leading ERP software provider in the world. We built a network during the project duration of 10 piloting university partners in the almost entire sub-Saharan African region. And by now, 3 additional non-piloting university partners have joined the project. Now, we based our curriculum design on several pedagogical theories. The first is the anchored instruction principle, which says that the knowledge should be situated or anchored in an explicit learning environment, which should be authentic, adequately elaborated, and provide multiple points of view. The second principle is guided learning, in which the teacher aids and encourages the learning activities of the student, but in parts of the curriculum, the student explores the problems on their own. And multimedia materials can assist in support the learning activities. And the third principle is blended learning, which can generally be defined as a mixture of technology-based learning and face-to-face instructions. We structured the curriculum such that it is an adaptable, modularized curriculum. And there are 2 basic versions of the curriculum, both of which have a core curriculum of 5 modules. The first version is a short course, which consists of the core curriculum plus a module on enterprise system knowledge for business. And the second alternative are integrated courses, which consist of the core curriculum and discipline-specific modules. Here you can see the short course, and here are 5 discipline integration scenarios we developed. As suggested by the anchored instruction concept, the curriculum content should be an authentic illustration of the knowledge that we want to teach the students. That's why we based our curriculum on the SAM-Bikes case study, which provides the narrative for the course, the data for the system, and the business processes for the learning material. And SAM-Bikes is an actual real-life company in SAM-Bikes which produces bicycles and equipment. We have a wide variety of learning material. First of all, the storytelling video, lecturer presentations, a live ERP system, workshops, and a learning management system. Now, the storytelling video introduces the SAM-Bikes company and explains their business processes. The lecturer presentations give some theoretical background on the issues and the mapping into the enterprise system. And we work in a live ERP system during the lectures and also the workshops, which are a series of interconnected exercises. They give explicit instructions and also provide some ERP screenshots. They are suitable for self-studying. And at the end of each workshop, there are some test questions so the student can validate their learning success. And as I mentioned, they work in a live ERP system, so they get a hands-on experience on how the business processes are actually mapped in the system. And here you can see a basic overview of the business process that should be implemented. And as you can maybe see, was probably a bit quick, the faces are recognizable from the SAM-Bikes video. So all of our material is interconnected. And the fifth learning material is the website, which provides information for universities, lecturers, and students. And we also have a login area to the learning management system, which provides lecturers the opportunity to connect and download the course material, and the students can take their exams to get their SIP UA certificate at the end of the course. Now, the ISIFA project was a very successful project. We started in 2012 and now are at the end of the project, and we exceeded our goals in terms of numbers of educated students and lecturers. And as you can see from the numbers here, both lecturers, the L is for lecturers, the S is for students, have very satisfied with their improved understanding of ERP systems and enterprise systems and their knowledge of business processes. And concerning the SAM-Bike scenario, lecturers are very positive that it adds didactic value to the learning material, and the students feel inspired by it. They think that the SAM-Bike scenario improves their comprehension of the learning material. The scenario is actually authentic, and it increased their course motivation, and of course increased motivation usually leads to higher learning success. So thank you for your attention. I'll be happy to take some questions. And also the project manager is here with me, Patrick Wirtz. He's sitting in the back. So if you have any questions now or later, we'll be very happy to talk to you and answer them.